What is the index value? 100. So 2,50,000 into 317 divided by 100, you will get 7,92,500. If you deduct rupees 5,41,880 from 15 lakhs, you will get 9,58,120. If you calculate the value by doing this calculation, 2 lakh into 137 divided by 113, you will get 5,64,061. Hello everyone, I am Arun Kumar, lecturer in Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. Dear students, welcome to this new session on the topic Income from Capital Gain, which is there for 6th Sem B.B.A students who comes under University of Mysuru. In this session, we will be solving few problems on income from capital gain. Yes, in the previous class, we discussed the meaning of capital gain and we discussed the meaning of capital asset and types of capital asset as well as the types of capital gain. We also got to know the format for solving the income from capital gain with respect to short-term capital gain and with respect to long-term capital gain. So in this session, we will be solving few problems based on the topic income from capital gain. So the first problem, from the following information of Sri Harsha, compute the capital gains for the assessment year 2022-23. So the first point, cost of acquisition. Yes, the cost of acquisition of residential house in 2001-2002, rupees 3,48,000. Yes, in 2001 and 2002, Mr. Harsha acquired or he purchased a house by paying 3,48,000 rupees. Sale consideration on 1/7/2021 is rupees 44 lakhs. Yes, on 1/7/2021, he sold that property for rupees 44 lakhs. He purchased in the year 2001 and 2002 by paying 3,48,000 and he sold the property, the same property on 1/7/2021 for rupees 44 lakh. Next, cost of acquisition of new house on Feb 2022 is rupees 10 lakhs. Yes, after selling the property, he purchased one more new property by paying 10 lakh rupees. So, CII, cost of inflation index, it is given by the central government to calculate the present value of this money, to calculate the present value of cost of acquisition. So to calculate the present value of cost of acquisition, we are supposed to look into cost of inflation index, that is CII. So by using that cost of inflation index information or the formula, we will be finding out the index to cost of acquisition. So first we have to understand, or first we have to get to know that whether this property is a long-term asset or short-term asset. So you can easily analyze. It was purchased in the year 2001-2002 and sold in the year 2021. So asset is held for more than 3 to 4 years. So easily we can say it is a long-term asset. So if it is a long-term asset, we are supposed to use a long-term capital gain format to solve the problem. So here they had given us the cost of inflation index for the year 2001, that is for the year of cost of acquisition, and 2021-22, that is for the year of sales. So 2001-2002 year of purchase, 2021-2022 year of sale. So moving on to solving the problem, computation of income from capital gain. We have to put 3 columns. Okay, so the kind of house is residential house, the kind of property or the kind of asset is residential house. Sales value. Sales value. So what is the sales value here? The sales value is 44 lakhs. So you are supposed to take 44 lakhs here, sales value 44 lakhs. So from that, less indexed cost of acquisition. Why we are supposed to take indexed cost of acquisition? Because we are solving the problem under long-term capital gain format. So under long-term capital gain format, we have indexed cost concept. So we are supposed to consider the indexed cost of acquisition while we are solving the problem under long-term capital gain. So sales value 40 lakhs less indexed cost of acquisition. So to know or to get the indexed cost of acquisition, we have a formula. So what is that formula? Cost of acquisition into cost of inflation index, that is CII, for the year of sale divided by cost of inflation index for the year of purchase. So it is very simple. You need not to worry about that formula. It may look very lengthy formula, but it is very easy to solve the problem. Here CII for the year 2001-2002 is 100, 2021-2022 is 317. So 2001-2002, this is year of purchase of property, 2021-22 year of sale of property. So cost of acquisition, what is the cost of acquisition? Here you can see rupees 3,48,000. Cost of acquisition of residential house is rupees 3,48,000. So cost of acquisition 3,48,000 into CII for the year of sale, that is for the year of 2021-22 is 317 divided by CII for the year of purchase. So what is the CII value for the year of purchase? Here, see here 100. So you will be taking 100 here. So 3,48,000 into 317 divided by 100, you will get 11,03,160. How much you will get? You will get 11,03,160. 11,03,160. Deduct 11,03,160 rupees. Deduct 11,03,160 from this 44 lakhs. You will get 32,96,840. You will get 32,96,840. So from that value, deduct or less deduction under section 54. So when we are supposed to give this deduction, if he is going to purchase new asset, at that point of time we can give deduction under section 54. So in this problem, he acquired a new house on Feb 2022 by paying 10 lakh rupees. Okay, by paying 10 lakh rupees. So he is eligible to take deduction under section 54. So deduction under section 54, new house purchased worth rupees 10 lakhs. Okay, so deduct this 10 lakh rupees from 32,96,840. So 32,96,840 is income from capital gain. Okay, income from capital gain. From that deduct the value of new house purchased 10 lakh rupees, you will get 22,96,840. How much you will get? You will get 22,96,840. That value is called taxable income from capital gain. Yes, on this value we will be imposing the tax. If you wouldn't have purchased the new house, then you were supposed to pay the tax on this 32,96,840. But you purchased the new house, so because of that we are giving exemption. We are giving exemption on 10 lakh rupees and we are collecting the tax on remaining value of 22,96,840. So this is how we are supposed to solve the problem. I hope all of you understood this. So moving on to the next problem, problem 2, compute income from capital gain from the following details. Okay, house purchased in 2001-2002 rupees 2,50,000. So by paying 2,50,000, he purchased the house. Sold in November 2021 for rupees 30 lakhs. So he purchased for rupees 2,50,000 and he sold it for rupees 30 lakhs. And commission paid on sales. So at the time of selling the property, he paid 40,000 rupees of commission and the cost of new house purchased is rupees 20 lakhs. So after selling the old property, what the assessee did, he purchased a new property by paying rupees 20 lakhs. CII for the year of 2001-2002 is 100 and CII for the year of 2021-22 is 317. So it is very easy to solve the problem. So computation of income from capital gain. Again 3 columns. So what kind of a property is this? What kind of asset is this? Residential house. So sales value is how much? 30 lakhs. Sales value is 30 lakhs. Less selling expenses. Less selling expenses. So you can see here, commission paid on sales. This is the selling expenses, rupees 40,000. So selling expenses, rupees 40,000. Next, less cost of acquisition. That is indexed cost of acquisition. We are supposed to deduct the indexed cost of acquisition. Why? Because we acquired, the assessee acquired the property in the year 2001 and 2002 and he sold it in the year 2021. So it is held for more than 3 years or it is held for more than 36 months. Then it will be considered as long-term capital gain. So we are supposed to calculate the indexed cost of acquisition. So formula, cost of acquisition into CII for the year of sale divided by CII for the year of purchase. So what is the value of purchase? 2,50,000. 2,50,000 into CII for the year of sale. So what is the value? 317 divided by CII for the year of purchase. So what is the index value? 100. So 2,50,000 into 317 divided by 100, you will get 7,92,500. So how much you will get? You will get 7,92,500. So if you deduct this value, you will get 21,67,500. If you deduct 7,92,500 and 40,000 rupees from 30 lakhs, you will get 21,67,500. Next, less deduction under section 54. Yes. So after selling the property, he had purchased a new house by paying 20 lakhs. So he is eligible to claim deduction under section 54. So deduction under section 54, 20 lakhs. So if you deduct 20 lakhs from 21,67,500, you will get the balance of 1,67,500. How much you will get? 1,67,500. So this value is called what? Taxable income from capital gain. In case if the assessee wouldn't have purchased the new house by paying 20 lakhs, then you would have paid the tax on this value, that is 21,67,500. But in this problem, he purchased the new property, so is eligible to pay. He purchased the new property, so is eligible to claim deduction under section 54. So that is why we are giving the deduction of rupees 20 lakh and is supposed to pay tax on the remaining income, that is 1,67,500. So moving on to the third problem, problem number 3. Mr. Lokesh submits the following particulars about sale of assets during the year 2021-22. So sales price of jewelry is rupees 15 lakhs. RH is nothing but residential house. RH is nothing but residential house. Rupees 32 lakhs and shares rupees 6,50,000. And selling expenses of jewelry is nil. Selling expenses with related to residential house is 50,000. With related to shares, nil. Cost of acquisition. So cost of acquisition of jewelry is 2 lakhs and cost of acquisition of RH, that is residential house, is rupees 4,50,000 and shares, the cost of acquisition is 3,05,000. Year of acquisition. So jewelry is acquired in the year of 2005-2006 and residential house is acquired in the year of 2007 and 2008 and the shares are acquired in the year of 2021-22. So he has purchased a house for rupees 18 lakhs on 1/3/2022 in order to claim exemption under section 54. Calculate the amount of taxable capital gain. CII during the year 2005-2006 is 117, 2007-2008 is 129 and 2021-22 is 317. Yes, by using this information, we are supposed to calculate income from capital gain. See, jewelry and RH, that is residential house. These two properties comes under long-term capital gain because the year of acquisition is 2005-6 and 2007-8. But shares, this asset comes under short-term capital asset because it is purchased in the year 2021 and 22. So moving on to solving the problem, computation of income from capital gain. So 3 columns. First we are supposed to take sales value. So what is the sales value here? We are supposed to take sales value. So what is the sales value here? With respect to jewelry, the first asset with respect to jewelry, sales value is rupees 15 lakhs. Sales value is rupees 15 lakhs less indexed cost of acquisition. Why we are supposed to take this? Because it is a long-term asset. So what is the cost of acquisition? Jewelry. The cost of acquisition is 2 lakh rupees. So 2 lakh rupees into CIA for the year of sale, that is 317, divided by CIA for the year of purchase, that is 117. That is 117 for the year 2005-6. It is 117. So 2 lakh rupees into 317 divided by 117, you will get 5,41,880. If you deduct rupees 5,41,880 from 15 lakhs, you will get 9,58,120. How much you will get? 9,58,120. So this income is with respect to income from sale of jewelry. Next asset is residential house. Second one, RH. So what is the sales value? The sales value of RH is how much? Rupees 32 lakhs. So the sales value is 32 lakhs and selling expenses with respect to residential house is 50,000. Next, less indexed cost of acquisition, that is 4,50,000 into 317 divided by 129. So 129 is the CII for the year of purchase. So if you do this calculations, you will get 11,05,813, that is 813. So deduct 11,05,813 plus 50,000 from 32 lakhs. How much you will get? You will get 20,94,187. You will get 20,94,187. Next, moving on, with respect to shares, so sales value is rupees 6,50,000 and cost of acquisition of shares. The cost of acquisition of shares is 3,05,000. So if you deduct 3,05,000 from 6,50,000, you will get 3,45,000. Here we are not calculating the indexed cost because it is a short-term capital asset. Shares are short-term capital assets because the held period is less than 12 months. It is purchased in the year 2021-22. That is why we are calculating the actual cost, that is cost of acquisition. So 6,50,000 minus 3,05,000, you will get 3,45,000. So total the outer column, 9,58,120 plus 20,94,187 plus 3,45,000. How much you will get? You will get 33,97,307. How much we will get? 33,97,307. So from this value, deduct the deduction under section 54. Yes, the assessor have purchased a new property by paying 18 lakh rupees. So you can claim the deduction under section 54. So if you deduct 18 lakh, whatever the balance you will get, that is 15,97,307. It is called income from capital gain, or we can also say it as taxable capital gain. So this is how we are supposed to calculate when we have more than one capital asset. So I hope all of you understood the topic. Next, moving on to the fourth problem. In this problem, again we have three properties: shares, jewelry and residential house. So here Mr. Shekhar submits the following particulars about sale of assets during the year 2021-22. So sales price, shares sales price is rupees 20 lakhs, jewelry sales price is 10 lakhs, and residential house sales price is 50 lakhs. And selling expenses, it is 2% with respect to shares and 1% with respect to jewelries and 3% with respect to residential house. Next, cost of acquisition. Cost of acquisition is 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs and 7 lakh 50,000. Next, year of acquisition. It is 2004, 2005, 2009 and 2010, and residential house in the year 2001 and 2002. So by using this information, along with they had given some additional information, that is, he was purchased a new residential house for rupees 35 lakhs on 1/1/2021. Yes, he purchased a new residential house by paying 35 lakhs. Compute taxable capital gain for the assessment year 2022-23. So along with that, they had given CAA value 2001-2002. CAA value is 100. For 2004-2005, CAA value is 113, that is 113. For 2009-2010, it is 148. For the year 2021 and 22, it is 317. So by using this information, we are supposed to solve the problem. So computation of income from capital gain, particulars, amount. So the first asset is shares. So with respect to shares, sales value is how much given in the problem? It is rupees 20 lakhs. Next, less selling expenses at 2% on sales value, that is 40,000. So if you calculate 2% on 20 lakhs, you will get 40,000. Next, indexed cost of acquisition. Indexed cost of acquisition. So cost of acquisition of shares is 2 lakhs into 317 divided by 113. That is indexed cost of acquisition. That is cost of inflation index for the year of sale divided by cost of inflation index for the year of purchase. So if you calculate the value by doing this calculation, 2 lakh into 137 divided by 113, you will get 5,64,061. 5,64,061. So deduct these two values from 20 lakhs. The balance, take it to outer column, that is 13,98,939. Next, with respect to jewelry, sales value 10 lakh rupees, less selling expenses at 1% on sales value. So compute 1% on 10 lakh rupees, you will get 10,000. Next, calculate the indexed cost of acquisition. So cost of acquisition 3 lakh into 317 divided by 148. You will get 6,42,567. You will get 6,42,567. So deduct these two values, that is 6,42,567 and 10,000 from 10 lakhs. The balance, whatever you will get, that is 3,47,433. 3,47,433. Take it to outer column. Next, sales value. So sales value of what? Jewelry. The third asset, jewelry. Yes. Next, sales value. Yes, the sales value of what? Sales value of residential house. So sales value of residential house is rupees 50 lakhs less selling expenses at 3% on sales value. If you calculate 3% on 50 lakhs, you will get 1,50,000, and also less indexed cost of acquisition. Less indexed cost of acquisition. So 7,50,000 is the cost of acquisition. So 7,50,000 into 317 divided by 100. You will get rupees 23,77,500. So if you deduct these two values from 50 lakhs, you will get 26,22,500. How much you will get? You will get 26,22,500 rupees. So total the outer column, that is rupees 13,98,939 plus 3,47,433 plus 26,22,500. If you total these three values, the outer column values, you will get the grand total, that is 43,68,872. So from this value, deduct the deduction under section 54. What is the deduction we have under this problem? It is rupees 35 lakhs. So deduct 35 lakhs. The balance 8,68,872. 8,68,872. So what is that value is called? That value is called taxable income from capital gain. I hope all of you understood the topic. For more videos, keep watching. Until then, thank you all.